Hi there Nokia mobsters, this is Martin from Nokia Mob, and today I'm gonna do the unboxing of Nokia 3.4 that Nokia Mobile has sent us for a review. So as it usually goes, let's check the box. So there it is. Unlike the box of Nokia 8.3, which opens like this by raising the cover, this one is a little bit more classic one. You need to pull the drawer there. So you got the Nokia 3.4, which pretty much resembles in some parts of Nokia 8.3, actually its design. On the right side you have a bunch of text. On the left side there is the Nokia 3.4 plus Android logo, and on the back there is all the important features that this phone is bringing. So there is the cutting-edge software for longer Android 11 ready, it's already, so it's coming with Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 mobile platform, which is quite good for the mid-range phone or affordable mid-range phone. The screen is 6.39 inch wide in the diagonal, and it's HD+. And of course there is the hole-in display, so there is a little dot for the camera there. It comes with the 30 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and the front-facing camera or selfie cam is 8 megapixels. So it has the portrait mode because there is the also 2 megapixel depth camera, and the night mode, which we will be testing. 2-day battery life, 4000 milliamp hours of battery, and of course you will get at least 2 major Android upgrades and monthly security updates. With this you can go with this gorgeous looking Nokia earbuds, power earbuds Lite, which are excellent and we reviewed before. So let's unbox it. We got it in Fjord blue color, which is great. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, we're gonna need this one. So there it is, the phone. Oh, this is gorgeous color. I love it. There is the SIM door key, bunch of quick guides, quick manual for a startup in Croatian, because it came from Croatian partners. Okay, you won't probably read this. And side of it you get the charging cable, USB-C. Okay, and let me see. I don't know if you can see it. We got, what is this, 5-watt charger with the Nokia logo there. Okay, and that's it. No earphones, no case. Let's check the device briefly. So there it is, the Google Assistant button, which you can disable from inside the settings, and there it is, the phone. The back is textured. There is also, if you can see on the light, the reflection, it's in bluish, and there is like maybe some purple, pink, some purple hue that's coming from the reflection of the light. There is the Nokia logo, rather thin fingerprint scanner. This is the depth camera, probably main camera, wide camera, and LED flash, single LED. We got the classical print there, HMD print, it's really hard to see it. On the side nicely done buttons. On top you got the 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone there. You can see a rather thin speaker. It's probably the same. Let's see it next to the Nokia 803. Speaker there, camera there, camera there. A little bit of chin there. That's a nice place for Nokia logo, at least. At the bottom you got the USB-C port, another microphone, speaker, which is finally positioned on a better place than in Nokia 803. You won't be covering it while playing. And that's it. 803, 3.4, sorry. Unboxed. If you got any comments, please check out the Nokiamob and leave the comment below the... Oh, this is nice to hear. And leave the comment below the article. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.